make our slime. Our ingredients is 1 bottle of glue, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of contact solution. So let's begin. First, we add the bottle of slime. Slime pours in. I just squeeze it to make a pasta. The cold jump. Yeah, that's a lot of glue. A lot of glue, friends. It's gonna take a while. Now that's done. Now we're going to add the baking soda. So we add the baking soda. Now we're going to mix it. Okay, now we're going to add the contact solution. Really careful. Don't lose this. Next one. Now you put that in, and then you start mixing it. Just keep stirring it until you can't mix it anymore. I'm done with my slime now. Now I'm going to store it. Tune in next time. Bye.